Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 7th of July 2022. So these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So which insurance company has introduced comprehensive motor insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Edelweiss. So recently the Edelweiss General Insurance has launched a comprehensive motor insurance product under IRDA Sandbox Initiative. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following state emerged as the top achievers according to the Business Reforms Action Plan 2020? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Andhra Pradesh. So the latest 5th edition of the Business Reform Action Plan 2020 categorized into top achievers and emerging business ecosystem. So basically 7 states including Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat have emerged as the top achievers. So basically the main objective of assessing the state and union territories is to create an enabling framework wherein learning can be shared almost state and union territories which lead to a national-wide spillover of a good practice. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to recent SBI report, what percentage of corporate bond fundraising was done through private placement in the current fiscal year? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 39%. So fundraising by listed companies through private placement of the corporate bonds dropped 39% to rupees 32,405 crore in the first 2 months of the current financial year. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following sectors will be the most affected by the government special tax? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is mining and petrol. So a special tax on the export of steel, iron ore and petroleum product and windfall profit tax on crude oil producer are likely to hit the overall corporate earnings. Okay, so now move to the next question. How long will it take to implement the PMFME scheme? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 5 years. So the scheme is to be implemented over a period of 5 years from 2020 to 2021 to 2024 to 2025 with a total outlay of rupees 10,000 crore. So recently the Ministry of Food Processing announced PMFME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has completed 2 years. So basically the main objective of the scheme is to envision and in exchange individual micro enterprise in the unorganized segment of the food processing industry and formalization of the sector. Okay, so now move to the next question. What percentage of small finance bank gross non-performing assets are based on the RBI report? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 5%. So according to the financial stability report, rapid growth in the balance sheet of the small finance bank has raised concern about asset quality, especially in standard restructured loan. As per the report, the share of the restructured advances was about 3.5% of the total advances as of March 2022. Okay, so now move to the next question. How many crore cases of the bank fraud were reported in financial year 2022 according to the RBI data? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 41,000 crore. So the fraud in the banking sector have declined by rupees 41,000 crore. Reporting cases were in 2021 to 2022 compared to rupees 1.05 lakh crore in the previous year. Okay, so now move to the next question. How many branches of PSB have been cut back as of 2022 according to the AIBEA report? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 2044 branches. So recently the Indian government owned banks saw a reduction of 2044 branches and about 13,000 employees in 2022 compared to the previously. Okay, so now move to the next question. How many new unicorns are expected in India in the upcoming 2 to 4 years according to the Hurun Indian Future Unicorn Index 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 122. So the India will have 122 new unicorns in the next 2 to 4 years according to the Hurun Indian Future Unicorn Index 2022 released by Hurun Research Institute. So the startup Shiprocket Zippo topped the list of the probable unicorns. Okay, so now move to the next question. How many trillions of rupees have been state government borrow from the RBI between July and September? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 2.12 trillion. So as per RBI data, borrowing by state government in July to September has been packed at rupees 2.12 trillion rupees. Okay.